ये समझदारी अब है हमारी सरकार की भी, और हमारे मोदी जी के सरकार की तो 11 साल की ये समझदारी है, तभी तो ये काउंटर स्ट्राइक्स हो रहे थे सर। लेकिन आप मुझे बताइए, आसिम मुनीर जैसों का क्या इलाज है?
लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते। एक लफ्ज में इनका इलाज, इनको चाहिए लात। और इस बार लगी है, इस बार लगी है। हम सिर्फ फौजियों वेटरन्स का ये था, ये दिल मांगे मोर, थोड़ा सा और कर दिए। और किसने कहा ऑपरेशन सिंदूर खत्म हुआ?
पीएम ने कहा सिर्फ स्थगित हुआ है, उन्होंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं कहा कि खत्म हुआ है। Hitting Pakistan's economy is something a lot of experts have been talking about. It really is not about the terrorism. If you really want Pakistan to be down on its knees, तो उसकी इकोनॉमी को खत्म करिए। उसके लिए भारत को अगर अपनी सैन्य बल को यूज करना है तो क्या करना है? कराची पोर्ट को अटैक करना है? क्या करना है? क्या करना चाहिए भारत को?
The way to the juggler is via the military.
The
military will attack when it has attacked the Pakistan Air Force right now.
जी sir.
Only the Pakistan Air Force has been properly struck.
जी sir.
The 11 air bases down, ठीक है, 4 radars down, right? Nuclear installation down, that is the nuclear storage site down, right? They've been hit pretty hard.
Yeah.
Now they've lost 7 to 8 JF-17s as per the open sources, right? They have lost one F-16. They have lost one J-10C. They have lost one AWAC, AEW Swedish. They have lost one C-30, one IL-76, equivalent aircraft. You see, so they have lost 4 radars. All this costs money.
Yes.
They'll have to replace it. $2 billion will not suffice for this sub cheese, right?
Yeah.
And then the crown jewel on our side, the service that has the maximum relative strength differential with the Pakistani counterpart is the Indian Navy. In 1971, the Indian Navy had hit Karachi twice.
Okay.
4th of December, which is celebrated as the Navy Day, and 8th of December. We sank 6 enemy bloody ships in the Karachi harbor. We put the Karachi terminal on fire. It burned for 10 days. You could not see the sunlight because of the dense black smoke. Right? We blockaded Pakistan, east and west both, and it was down on its bloody knees. So when you blockade Pakistan, the Indian Navy can do a partial or total blockade of Pakistan. You've got 2 aircraft carrier battle groups, man,
yes, sir,
which can put the fear of God up Pakistan's Navy. And you know what the Pakistani, when General Asim Munir started all this fracas, you know, he had gone to Kazakhstan for a very well-deserved holiday. You know, he had to come rushing back, and he met his air chief and the navy chief. उन्होंने क्या बोला? मरा दिया मुनीर, मेरी नेवी में 8 सबमरीन्स हैं। द नेवी के एडमिरल ने कहा 8 सबमरीन्स हैं मेरी नेवी के अंदर, 5 अगस्ता, 3 मिजिट, उनमें से केवल 2 चल रही हैं आज के दिन। द रेस्ट आर इन रिपेयर एंड रिफिट इन द कराची हार्बर, राइट? तो मैं इतना, और ये इंडियन नेवी का आर्माडा विक्रांत आ रहा है, कैरियर बैटल ग्रुप विद मिसाइल डिस्ट्रॉयर्स, मिसाइल फ्रिगेट्स एंड सबमरीन। मैं 2 सबमरीन से क्या करूंगा? मरा, यू कुडंट हैव चोजन अ वर्स टाइम। द सेम थिंग द इंडियन द पाकिस्तानी एयर फोर्स चीफ टोल्ड हिम, माय F-16s, half of them are out of action because they are being upgraded, right, with the $400 million package that Donald Trump gave. ठीक है? Then he said कि my F-16s, half their radars don't work, right? I've got this problem, that problem. Couldn't you have asked me before you started? So look, and then when his own generals briefed him, his chief of the general staff, who's incidentally next in the line for chief, if he's retired at his original date of October this year, right? Then you know, then he says we've got 7 to 10 days of ammunition war wastage reserve, out of which the Americans forced us to sell $320 million worth of ammunition to Ukraine, artillery ammunition.
Okay.
So we are down to 5 to 6 days. My aviation turbine fuel by which the Air Force flies, stocks are down to 5 days.
Okay.
If the Navy puts this block, where are you, sir? Kaput.
Kaput, right. Totally destroyed. तो आपको लगता है कि अगर भारत चाहे तो आसिम मुनीर को भी ठिकाने लगा सकता है?